Welcome to ModularMind, the ultimate platform for maximizing productivity with AI. In this video tutorial, we'll explore the power of prompts and how to use them effectively. Let's get started. Prompts are specific instructions or queries given to an AI model to generate desired outputs or responses. To add a prompt to the canvas, simply right-click on the canvas and select Add Prompt from the menu. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to create a new prompt with a title. Once saved, the prompt will be added to the canvas as a stack. Let's click on the stack to reveal its details. Now, simply by clicking the button at the bottom of the stack details, we can quickly add more prompts to the stack. This way, you can organize prompts in a modular way and easily reorder them by dragging and dropping, or replace them with different prompts. To save a prompt for future use, tap the Add to Library button. This lets you access it later and reuse it in different projects. Stack outputs can also be saved as prompts. By expanding the side panel, you can view your saved prompts under your library. Here, you'll also find two buttons at the bottom, Add Prompt and Add Folder. To keep your prompt library organized, you can create folders, and then drag and drop prompts into the appropriate folders. Alternatively, you can directly save a new prompt to the library by tapping the Add Prompt button. This will enable you to quickly store it for future use. After writing the prompt and giving it a title, you can also choose the desired folder to save it directly under that folder's hierarchy. To edit a prompt in a stack, tap on the Edit button on the prompt. Here you can customize the prompt's content and adjust details to fit your needs. The great thing is that any changes made to prompts in a stack are specific to that stack only. If the prompt was added from the library, your original prompt template in the library remains unchanged. So you have the flexibility to adapt and fine-tune your prompts while keeping your library intact. Of course, if you want to edit the saved prompt in your library, simply find the prompt in the library and click Edit button. And there you have it. You've learned how to add prompts to stacks, reorder and replace, organize your prompt library, and maximize your productivity. With ModularMind, entrepreneurs, content creators, academic professionals, and salespeople can harness the power of multiple AI models, enabling them to achieve more in less time.